Hello guys, in this video we will learn max width and frame alignment. I just want to move some close button at top left or right side of the corner. To make that I have to use this nested coding like vertical stack and horizontal stack and spacer. To move this simple close button at top left side of the corner I have to use these things. I have alternate solution to make this simply. I just copy this image view. I just going to be show you some demo. I just comment this line command slash, and here I just making my simple image view. By default it's center of our screen. I just making the frame dot frame. We need to set maximum width and maximum height. Max width colon dot infinity. Infinity will take maximum space here. Likewise I just setting max height dot infinity. This will take the maximum height and maximum width. You can just same as I just setting the alignment dot top tailing. So far we done the maximum width of infinity, so it will take the maximum width. Same as maximum height, it will be take the maximum height, and the alignment will you can change anywhere. I'm just showing this demo of top leading, so it will be show top left side of the corner. Then I just add padding to make some padding here. So we simply done with one element. I just showing some one more demo using overlap. Overlap is option. You can float the close button, can put it any overlapping modifier which put the element above the content. So overlap is basically you can overlap some content to another content. I just creating the simple rectangular view. Then I just setting the background color. To set color I am using fill color dot pink. To ignore the white space I just using ignore white space, ignore safe area. Then I just using overlap, press enter. Here is your code. I just copy this, I just cut this one and paste here. Likewise you can use vertical stack or HStack as per your wish. So we done this alternate solution using max width and frame alignment.